See the subject English. Take page number 83. Add yes to make one into many. Add ADD. Add yes to make. 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 Make one. ONE. One into many. MENY. Many. See here, children. See in the page number 83. Here. See here. Add yes to make one into many. Here one pot is given. This is, you take your book and see. ONE. One. POT. Pot. One pot. Then 3 pot is given here. What will come? See here. THREE. 3 pots. See in the dash you should write pots. Yes, singular and plural. If you add yes means it will become plural. One pot. This one is singular. If you add yes means it makes many. So 3 pot is there. More than one. So pots. 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 Pot. Pots. Then cap. Here one cap is given. Then one. ONE. One cap. 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 We are going to add yes. Then it comes many. See here. 4 cap I am going to draw. In the book also 4 cap only is there. See in your book. Take page number 83. See there. FOUR. In the dash you should write CAPS. 4 line is given. Touch the line and write neatly. 4 caps. Then bag. Your school bag is given here. See here. This is bag. Okay. One bag. ONE. One BAG. Bag. Here 2 bag is given. TWO2. You should add yes. BAGS. 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 One bag. 2 bags. Then pen. One pen. ONE. One PEN. Pen. Here 5 pen is drawn here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then FIVE. 5. We are going to add yes. Pens. 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 See in the page number 83. Top you see. It's given here. 1 pot. 3 pots. See here. You are going to add yes. 1 to make many. This one is 1. If you add yes means it will become many. More than 1. ONE. 1. POT. Pot. THREE. 3 pots. 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 Then ONE. 1. CAP. Cap. 4. FOUR. 4. CAPS. Caps. 4 caps. 1 bag. ONE. 1. BAG. Bag. TWO2. Bags. 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 We are going to add yes. ONE. 1. PEN. Pen. 1 pen. 5 pens. FIVE. 5. PENS. Pens. 5 pens. What we did here? We add yes to make one into many. If you add yes means that is more than 1. Same page number only. Continue. Page number 83. Circle the correct word for the picture. Here one picture is given. Chair picture is given, tap picture is given and lamp picture is given. This is chair. See in the book it is given. This is chair. Sofa, S-O-F-A. Say the spelling. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Then door. See, door. What will come? Circle the correct word for the picture. Circle the correct word for the picture. P-I-C-T-U-R-E. See here. This one is chair. Then see here. C-H-A-I-R, chair spelling. S-O-F-A, sofa. C-H-A-I-R, chair. D-O-O-R, door. Next one is tap. What is this? Tap. T-A-P, tap. Then M-U-G, mug. Soap, S-O-A-P, soap. Circle the correct word. See here. T-A-P, tap. This one is tap. So, T-A-P, tap. Circle the word. Next one is lamp. C-L-O-C-K, clock. Then pillow, P-I-L-L-O-W, pillow. Then L-A-M-P, lamp. See, this one is lamp picture. Okay, so we are going to circle the lamp word. C-H-A-I-R, chair. T-A-P, tap. L-A-M-P, lamp. Did you circle it, children, in your book? Page number, same page only. Listen to the teacher read the story and circle the words the teacher repeat. Reno had walked for a long time. She saw an old man resting under the tree. She walked to the man to give some water. Reno was happy to get the water from him. I will write, children. Okay, listen to the teacher. Read the story and circle the words. You should only do here and circle the words. Miss will say some words. Long, say, old, get, give. That word you should circle in the sentence where it is coming, that word. R-H-I-N-O, Reno. H-A-D, had. Walked, W-A-L-K-E-D, walked. For, F-O-R, for a long, L-O-N-G, long time, T-I-M-E, long time. S-H-E, she. S-A-W, saw. A-N, and. O-L-D, old. M-A-N, man. Resting, R-E-S-T-I-N-G, resting under the tree. U-N-D-E-R, under the tree. T-R-E-E, tree. S-H-E, she. A-S-K-E-D, she asked the M-A-N, man. To give some, S-O-M-E, some water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Reno was happy to get the water from him. Reno was, W-A-S, was happy. Say children, say the spelling, say along with me. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. T-O-2, get, G-E-T, get. The water, T-H-E, the water, W-A-T-E-R, water. From him, F-R-O-M, from him, H-I-M, him. I am going to give the words down. I will write here. Long, L-O-N-G, long. S-A-W, saw. O-L-D, old. G-E-T, get. G-I-V-E, give. Children, see where the word is in the sentence. L-O-N-G, see where. Check in the sentence. Reno had walked for a long. See, it is here. L-O-L-O-N-G. The word is here. Circle. Then S-A-W, saw. See here. See, it is here. S-A-W, saw. Then O-L-D, old. See here. Then G-E-T, get. Here it's not there. See here. No was happy to get, it's here. G-E-T, get. Then G-I-V-E, give. See here. Give, G-I-V-E, give. L-O-N-G, long. See where in the sentence? It's there. Circle the word. S-A-W, saw. See here. Then O-L-D, G-E-T, get. See here. Then G-I-V-E. See, it's given here. Okay, children? Did you all circle it? Then learning outcome. So far what and all we saw before and all, we are going to recollect it. See here, recite the poem up and down. We saw the poem up and down. All of you say the poem up and down. Say children, do you all know? Left hand up, right hand down and walk around and round. Right hand up, left hand down and walk round and round. Left leg front, right leg back and round and round. Right leg front, left leg back and run round and round. We go up, we go down and shake it all around. We go up, we go down and shake it all around. This poem is memory poem, children. You should read this poem. Then we saw too big and too small. Lesson. That Mano, we saw that one boy, Mano, no. Mano used to say her mother to lift, then he used to go and lie down in the cradle, then he used to lift the baby, he used to climb on his grandpa's back, too big and too small. That lesson we saw. Then we saw banana, banana, singular and plural, cap, caps, toy, toys. Then add s to make one into many we saw. Then word wall we saw. Then bring, brim, brass, brick, the starting letter with BR, DR, NCL, FL, that and all we saw. Then big and small, difference between big and small. Then the story, the fat dog. Then we are going to see the next lesson. Listen to your body. Listen to your body, B-O-D-Y. See here, one girl is standing here, then one goat is here, page number 85. I like my blue frock. What color is this one? This frock color is blue. What do you like? She is asking. What do you like? She is asking. Say children, what color do you like? Red, yellow, green, blue, all colors are there. Name the colors. Here red color is given, here yellow is given, here blue color is given. Circle the picture. Who is jumping? You are going to circle. See page number 85. One girl is jumping, one girl is singing. Then who is jumping here? This girl is jumping. So circle that picture. See here. Circle the picture. The girl is jumping. Circle. Then who is clapping? See here, who is clapping? This boy is skipping. This boy is clapping. So circle this picture. Then what will the girl say? Tick. One girl is getting the gift from another girl. What will you say? We should say thank you. If you are getting something from anyone, no, you should say thank you. Here two words is given. Sorry. S-O-R-R-Y. Sorry is given. Then thank you is given. T-H-A-N-K-Y-O-U. Say what we should take. If we are getting some chocolate or gift, what will say? We will say thank you. So take that. Read these words. You are going to read these words. R-E-A-D. Read these words. Read children. You also read along with me. Brush. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. Clock. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. Nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. Then bank. B-A-N-K. Bank. Then flag. F-L-A-G. Flag. Drum. D-R-U-M. Drum. Bend. B-E-N-D. Bend. Lift. L-I-F-T. Lift. Read children. Read these words. Brush. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. Clock. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. Nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. Bank. B-A-N-K. Bank. Flag. F-L-A-G. Flag. Drum. D-R-U-M. Drum. Bend. B-E-N-D. Bend. Lift. L-I-F-T. Lift. Okay children. Read these words